the Kettlebell Deadlift. My name is Luke Baden. I am a kettlebell master trainer. Now, a deadlift can be done in many different ways. You can do this with a barbell, you could do this with a set of dumbbells. So, I approach my kettlebell, I line up my malleolus, my ankle bones with the horns of the bell. Then I've got to find my hip hinge. So I put my little fingers into my hip crease and I push my hips back, finding the stretching sensation through my hamstrings. Only then, once I've found this position, I put hands on the bell and I squeeze the shoulder blades back and down. Now, it's important that a deadlift, and even a sumo deadlift, is not a squat. So what we want is a softening of the knees, but we want the hips to be higher than the knees and the shoulders to be higher than the hips. So I like to tell my clients, think of it like a beef burger. This is a piece of bread, this is a piece of bread, and this is a piece of meat. And you always want your meat in between two pieces of bread. If we have our meat and our bread on the top in a line, then we're just in a Romanian deadlift, okay? And if we have our meat here and our bread on the bottom in a line, then we're just in a squat. From there, remember, I squeeze my shoulder blades back and down. This is very important. I'm centrifying the joint. So I'm protecting my shoulder sockets by sucking them into place and using the lats to stabilize them. So I squeeze back and down, flattening the armpits to the body. Then from there, I simply push the floor away with the legs and stand tall. Push the floor away, squeeze the glutes at the top and stand tall. I don't need to lean back, okay? If I'm 5'6", which I am, I become 5'6" at the top, all right? I don't need to lean back. I don't need to come off my heels. From there, I send the hip backwards to find my hip hinge again, but the kettlebell wants to move forwards. I have to stop it by using my lats, and I have to guide it back into that invisible line between my malleolus, between my ankle bones. Once again, pack shoulders, push the floor away, stand tall, squeeze the glutes. Every rep, guiding the kettlebell back into that start position. Pack the shoulders, push the floor away, and stand tall. Every rep, controlling down, finding that stretch across the hamstrings, packing the shoulders, pushing the floor away with an exhale. What you need now is practice, repetition, and learning to cycle the barbell or cycle the kettlebell. So high reps is probably a better option, 12 to 15s, or if it's a finisher or it's at the end of the day and you really just want to get sweet burn, something like 15s to 25s. So that's kettlebell deadlift. I hope you found that video useful.